Hi, this is Simon. I'm the managing attorney for immigration at Manifest Law, and I'd like to talk to you today about the EB1 green card process. So the EB1 green card process is really the top preference green card process for immigration to the United States. There's three subcategories under the EB1. First is those with extraordinary ability. The second is for outstanding professors and researchers, and the third is for multinational managers and executives. This is a great option. It puts you on the path to a green card, assuming you meet the criteria for one of those three categories. I'll run through those briefly. First, you have extraordinary ability. You really need to show that you've risen to the top of your field in whatever pursuit you have. So showing awards, that you've judged the work of others, publications, all of that goes to establishing that you are extraordinary in one of the small percentage in your field who have achieved this level of success. You also have outstanding professors and researchers. This is a great option for those in research or academia, and generally will be satisfied if you can show some awards, some publications, maybe conference reviews, and other evidence of your achievements over the course of your career. And finally, for the multinational managers and executives, this largely mirrors what you may know in the L1A context of an intercompany transfer where you're the manager and executive and you want to work in the United States in that role. All three of these are options that will get you on the EB1 path. Now, the great part about the EB1 is it gets by all those long per country waiting lists to get a green card. People, particularly from India and China, for example, can have years, if not decades, to wait for their priority date to become current and move forward with their green card, during which time they're in limbo. The EB1 green card allows you to essentially skip those lines or have the shortest line possible within the immigration system so that you can get to that green card stage as soon as you can. Additionally, in the extraordinary ability category for the EB1 visa, you can also self-petition, which means that you can file the case for yourself without an employer to sponsor you. This can be a great advantage for people that are looking to do independent work based on their track record of success in their field. Of course, there are a few drawbacks here. Not everything comes without its restrictions. It's a high-level category of immigration, meaning the government heavily scrutinizes these cases and they need to be well documented with lots of clear evidence and explanations about why you clearly meet this category. Because it's essentially the path to permanent residence, the government will look at these cases a little bit more strictly than they will for the temporary counterparts. But if you put together a strong case, you can get on the fast track to a US green card with the EB1 process. Go to manifestlaw.com to schedule your free consultation to discuss your visa options.